Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies round. Start by using a cookie scoop to ensure each cookie has a uniform amount of dough. This consistency is key for even baking and round shapes. After scooping, gently roll the dough between your palms to form smooth, compact balls. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes can also significantly help maintain a round shape during baking, preventing excessive spreading. As soon as your cookies come out of the oven, while they are still warm and pliable, you have a prime opportunity to perfect their shape. Take a round cookie cutter, slightly larger than your cookie, and place it around each warm cookie. Gently swirl the cutter to nudge the edges into a perfect circle. Alternatively, use a spatula to gently push the edges inward. The consistency of your dough plays a crucial role in achieving round cookies. Make sure your butter is softened, but not melted, as melted butter can lead to flatter, less round cookies. Overmixing the dough can develop too much gluten, resulting in tougher cookies that spread unevenly. Baking on parchment paper also promotes more even heat distribution, contributing to a better shape. For consistently round cookies, always place dough on cool baking sheets. Using warm sheets can cause the butter to melt too quickly, leading to spreading. Ensure ample space between each cookie, typically about 2 inches, to prevent them from merging as they expand. Regularly check your oven temperature with an oven thermometer to ensure it's accurate, as consistent heat is vital.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.